Oh, you really like that gift from Nancy, don't you? Isn't that the best gift ever? Look at all the things you can do with it.
I do love those Santas. Yeah. Santa!
Alright. Here's your opener.
Oh!
Hey.
Is this the real thing?
Rejected.
I'm glad I know what's inside and that it's not the...
For this electric glass kettle.
Gas?
It's Nancy's gift. He's absolutely loves it.
Oh, so it's like
He
a
doesn't
water
open
deal.
it, but he looks back.
Oh,
Right.
gotcha.
It was my decision to put that one in the gift bag. It's a good idea.
Oh.
Pretty sweet.
We got a video of back and forth.
We got it, we got it.
Tractor. And he's got kind of the ox plow thing going on too.
Is there anything inside, Moss? Inside the bag?
Rustle, 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 rustle.
Russell, Russell. Oh.
Not breakable.
No.
Whoa. Oh, something yeah,
It's the baby in the bag.
Something right there.
The gift is me.
Are you just a silly little guy?
Thank you guys for our
Oh, there's
electric
something in the
kettle.
bag. Let me see if there's something that's in the bag. Whoa, whoa, oh.
No,
hold
no,
on.
no, this is new
No.
ways to transport things.
No. Oh.
There we go. Okay, Moss.
Okay,
Moss.
you put together a perfect gift, Nancy.
It's the gift that keeps on giving. Russell, Russell. Wow.
I've never seen a child get so much enjoyment out of a present like that.
And just you wait, Moss. You didn't even understand what's inside. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, so funny.
What else is in there, huh? What else is in there? Oh my goodness.
Something special?
Oh my goodness.
It makes
Oh, nice idea. Oh my goodness, it makes noise. Should we pull it out?
It just barely fit in. It's just a little tight.
Okay.
Mouse, it's coming out for you. It's coming out for you. What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be?
Wow.
Oh, it makes noises.
Yeah.
And it's for your train set, Moss.
It's just like the train.
Train.
It's another piece of
It's
obsolete
called a
technology.
bridge.
And a light
Bridge. And a lighthouse for the
There's a
train.
boat that goes with it.
Lighting.
Oh my goodness. Okay, should we take it out? I think we should take it out.
Out.
Open? Should we open it? Yeah.